do some workouts at home. So the first thing I was looking for was for a weight bench, and I did find one, and I'm really excited to show you. Here it is, and I love it. I think it's fantastic. It's not super heavy either, so again, yeah, you can kind of move it around. So depending on if you're moving it to one room or another, it's definitely easier with two people, but you can certainly do it yourself. I like that the padding on this is nice and thick. You can just see how that is. It is nice and thick, so it will absorb your body and your head as well when you're doing some of the exercises. I do like that you have some adjustments here. You do have a lot of flexibility with this bench, so if you did need to leave it flat and just have your standard bench press, you can do so, but you can also add and update it so that you have more of an incline. So depending on the exercise that you're doing, maybe you're doing a sit-up or something here, you can actually add it to where you have an incline as well. And this part here is what makes this bench very unique, and the reason that I personally purchased it. I love that you can do the lower back extensions, so you can simply rest your thighs on here and go up and down with your back on this area here. You can also do preacher curls where you put your elbow here and do the curls that way, and then you just have so much flexibility with what you can do with this. It's one piece of equipment, but the sky's the limit with what you can do on this exercise-wise. Here are some exercises you can do on the bench. Here's some of my favorites. Again, the bench is very comfortable. You are nice and supported on it. So here I do love that you have the ability to do preacher curls, because again, you can't usually do that on a standard bench. And then of course the back extensions as well. Absolutely love it. Keeps your thighs nice and comfortable. I also do split squats as well.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for your support.